Attention, forward-thinking business leaders. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of success and propel your organization to new heights? Then mark your calendars, because an exclusive opportunity awaits you. Introducing the Center for Public Service Productivity and Development Membership Workshop, the ultimate event for business owners, CEOs, directors, managers, and decision-makers like you. Join us at the prestigious Sheraton Hotel in Ikeja for a transformative experience that will revolutionize your business organizational strategies. Imagine being in the presence of industry pioneers, thought leaders, and visionaries who have achieved remarkable success. At our workshop, you'll gain direct access to their invaluable insights, innovative strategies, and proven techniques. This isn't just another conference. Our workshop is designed to ignite inspiration, foster collaboration, and provide you with practical tools you can implement immediately. Network with like-minded professionals, exchange ideas, and forge powerful connections that will impact your business for years to come. A direct involvement of being a member of senior professionals. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to take your business career to the next level. Seats are limited, so secure your spot today. Join us and be prepared to elevate your business career to unprecedented heights. For physical participation, venue, Sheraton Lagos Hotel Ikeja, Lagos. For virtual participation, live via Zoom. The Ceprod Membership Workshop, where business leaders converge for success. Reserve your spot now. Contact us, info@centerforproductivity.org +234-803-587-8800.